What's up, YouTube? It's been a little while. I went on a cruise and it was 7 days. Went to the Caribbean, Belize, Mahogany Bay, Honduras, and Cozumel. And so that was pretty, and I can go over that more later. But I thought I'd tell you about this last weekend. It's Black Friday weekend. Friday night I was out. We were actually traveling, and so I hit up some Walmarts that we don't usually get to go to, and I found a ton of deals. I found, there's 5 huge boxes of stuff right in the back right now. I took about 6 boxes in earlier, and then these were the last of it. I found some Arlo security systems, and I found like 17 of those. Those were an awesome deal. They were on sale for $199, and they'll sell for about $350. So that was awesome. And then Nerf guns. Walmart had an exclusive deal on their Nerf guns, some mega something, I don't even know what they were called, but I ended up with 21 of those. And those were like 15, and I'll turn around and sell them for about 50-ish, depending on, when they all have a great rank. Everything I bought has under 7,000 rank. I found some fingerlings, found 5 of this baby sloth. Those on Amazon right now have 3,000 rank, and they're $70, $69.95, I think, something like that. So those will be good. Get those in, and then everything else is in these boxes back there. There's 2 huge boxes of Nerf, because they're big. These boxes are like 34 by 25 by like 18 or something. And then this was another good find. This was an online buy. Forza Xbox One. These were $15, and they got shipped in earlier today. Right after I got them, I took them basically right up to FedEx, and sending them in Prime, or for FBA, for Prime. And those are $60. So some good profit to be made. I spent a total of like $5,500 this weekend. But hoping, I haven't added up all the profit. I think on the Arlos alone, I should profit around $1,500. So that's pretty good. So anyway, I just thought I'd check in here and tell you what's up. And sorry I've been off for a couple weeks. It's been since my last video. We'll do some quick flips. We've had great weekends on eBay. The first eBay weekend, or the first weekend I was gone, I gotta pick up Piper here, that's what I'm doing. The first weekend I was gone on the cruise was like my best weekend in a long time. I profited $1,060, so that was awesome. And what else? The next weekend was pretty good, and then we had a ton of items this last weekend. We had I think, what was it, Thursday we had like 21 items go out on eBay. And then this weekend I think we had at least 20 something. I'm not even sure. We had a lot, but I've been busy. Traveled all weekend, across Missouri over to Kansas City, hit up like 10 different Walmarts. I also bought Zelda, the 2DS. That was something else that was good to look out for. Not a whole lot of money to be made on those, but definitely a quick flip. Those are 300 rank right now, 500 rank, and the sales rank on Amazon tells how quickly they'll sell or what they're selling for. And so those will be a quick flip. Not much money, maybe, I think I calculated maybe 18. Oh no, those actually, when I first bought them on Friday, I was thinking I was only going to sell them for about $129, so I'd only make like $18 after fees on them. But today, when I made the listing to send them in, no one is in FBA. They've all sold out. So if mine are the first ones in, they're going up for $159.95. So that'll be really good profit there if I'm the only one selling them, obviously. But that was the other item. So I bought 3 or 4 main items this weekend. I've also sold some Super NES classics. I think I had a total of 7 or 8 of those, and they've all sold on Amazon. So there's a lot of good stuff right now. And I'm gonna head out here. I just wanted to check in with you guys. If you still like my videos, which I hope you do, you know, like and subscribe. Give us some feedback if there's anything you'd like to see or how we do stuff. You know, Sarah and I, we've been selling on eBay for a good 10 years now. We have I think we're at about 2,500 listings average right now. We do work out of our house. We don't have a office space just yet, but with the amount of items that we are having, and we're gonna be picking up Amazon again. We kind of fell off the bandwagon with Amazon a couple years ago, but I'm getting stuff slowly and surely back in there. So again, like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.